guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel, Cooking with me, Chef Quee. It's Cooktober and it's getting cold out here, y'all. So let's whip up a nice pot of vegetable beef soup. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's cook. Alright guys, here's a quick clip of everything we'll be using for our soup. I have a full ingredient list along with the measurements down in the description box below.
Perfect.
So first things first, I'm going to start by cooking my ground beef. I'm going to break it up a bit and then season it up generously with the basics. Some seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. And we're going to allow it to cook until it's nicely browned and cooked through. Our ground beef appears to be thoroughly brown, but I'm going to give it a good stir to make sure there's no pink left. Now, depending on the beef you use, you may need to drain the fat or the grease from it. As you can see, I really don't have any to drain, so I'm going to remove it from the pot and set it aside for now. Alright, now on to the fun part. So into that same pot, I'm going in with some olive oil and then in with my mirepoix, which is the base of our soup. This is just a trio of diced onion, carrots, and celery. I'm going to lightly season our veggies with the same seasonings from earlier and then let that go for about 2 to 3 minutes. I want my soup to be flavorful throughout, so I'm going to add in some better than bouillon beef base and give it a good stir until it's nice and dissolved. Next, I'm going to deglaze our pot with some beef broth to pick up the fond, which is the brown flavorful bits that stuck to the bottom of our pot here. I'm going to add in some water to help balance out the flavors. This is going to help reduce the concentration of salt from the broth and beef base. Next, I'm going in with some diced tomatoes and tomato sauce. I'm going to throw in my russet potatoes that I diced up. I added in half right here because I thought it would be too much, but I ended up adding in the rest shortly after. Now I'm going in with my frozen bag of mixed vegetables. I'm going to give that a stir and then you'll see me add in the rest of my taters. Now I'm going to season the soup to my liking with some of the same seasonings from earlier. So I'm going in with some seasoned salt, lemon and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, some crushed red pepper flakes, not too much of course, and some granulated sugar to cut that acidity from the tomatoes. I'm going to give it a good stir to get everything incorporated in and then add my cooked ground beef back into the pot. I almost forgot, but I'm adding in my bay leaves here for some extra added flavor. We're going to bring this up to a light boil, reduce the heat to low, pop the lid on, and allow it to simmer for 30 to 45 minutes to allow all of these yummy flavors to marry. Here we are 45 minutes later. I'm going to give it a good stir. Taste it to make sure it's good, of course, and to see if it needs anything. Remove those bay leaves and then bowl it up. And that is it, guys. Our delicious vegetable beef soup is complete. As you can see, I slapped me a quick grilled cheese together and threw it in my bowl as well. Now, if you want, you can also whip up some cinnamon rolls to go along with it, like how they did when we were in school, and you'll be good to go, okay? Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Comment down below what you think of this recipe. Follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in the next video.